Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by verifying One UI 7 is installed and the build matches. This matters because icon packs behave differently across builds. Once confirmed, install GoodLock plus the theme park or icon editor modules from Galaxy Store. These are required. Make sure to back up your current theme or note defaults. Restoring is faster than troubleshooting. Now open Theme Park and prepare an icon export slot so you can apply dark icons without altering core system files. This prevents permanent changes. You now build the actual dark icon pack. Open Theme Park and select icons, then create, import existing PNGs, or generate new glyphs. Choose a near-black base color and tweak contrast and outline so icons remain legible on dark wallpapers. This ensures visibility versus system accents. Select consistent shape and padding to match One UI 7 aesthetics. Once satisfied, export the pack and apply it from Themes My Stuff. If icons misalign, restart the launcher and reapply the pack to enforce changes. You finish by verifying consistency. Switch dark mode on and off and inspect quick settings, lock screen, and notifications to confirm icons look correct. If icons revert or show glitches, clear the launcher cache, reapply the theme, and reboot. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to identify conflicts. Make sure to keep the exported pack backup so you can restore quickly after updates. Finally, when One UI patches arrive, update GoodLock modules. Compatibility fixes prevent future breakage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.